The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord will tend to kink near the handle. This can lead to broken wires. Left unprotected, the cord can also rub against the handle housings, eventually rubbing through the insulation, leaving bare wires. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the sander. Now I'll remove the cord clamp. With the cord clamp removed, I can go ahead and remove the cord wires from the switch. And I'll remove the cord protector from the cord. Now I can install the new cord protector. I'll slide the wires through it. And now I can reinstall it onto the sander. I'll reattach the wires to the switch with the screws. Now I'll place the cord relief back into the housing and secure the cord to the housing with the cord clamp. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the top cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord guard on your power tool.